Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. And today, under the environmental lecture series, I am going to have a discussion on a very important topic that is known as the global warming. So, global warming today is the biggest challenge to the particular universe, and it is a global problem which is going on in all over the particular countries which are there, and that countries are also the developed countries, underdeveloped countries, as well as the fastly growing developing countries. So all these nations, they are facing the problem regarding the warming of the earth. So warming of the earth is one of the important uh, problems today in the current scenario. And this you have to keep in mind that this problem is not to be solved by a single person, but a group of persons, a group of countries must come together so that the problems will be solved herewith. So mind well, this is a big and a huge problem faced in the particular India. So and nowadays also we are facing many problems regarding noise pollution, air pollution, voice pollution. Every type of pollution is there in the particular country. So to minimize this, the first there must be a need to have a specific change of the mindset of the persons must be changed, and that should be kept in particular condition, to a particular condition. Okay, so now next slide I want to focus on the causes of global warming. Now as you all know, day by day there is a methane gas going on, and that methane gas will have the major problems regarding the development of the global warming. Say for example, nowadays the use of electronic appliances is also being there, and that appliances has to be taken care of. Say for example, the number of the greenhouse gases are being liberated in the particular atmosphere, and that is also to be taken care of by the particular group of persons who are having a depth of knowledge regarding the global warming. Now next point I want to see that I want to tell you, that is there are different sinks where the global warming has to be analyzed and has to be taken into consideration. Say for example, if we go for the Arctic Sea or Antarctica, there we will find there is the global warming is there also. There also it is having 2.5% of the global warming in the particular Antarctica. So this is also one of the thing that nothing is being now taken off. So this is also you have to take into consideration. Now next important thing, now you know all know that global warming is a major issue. Being a major issue, there are effects are also very drastic. Say for example, more effects is regarding the heat wave. You know, nowadays summers are more dangerous in nature, because there is a huge type of temperature which is growing in a very particular fashion. Next important thing I want to tell you is that maximum there is a deforestation, and as there is a deforestation, you will find that there will be more problems regarding the oxygen level. Oxygen level is also to be managed in a good condition, because you know nowadays we are facing a pandemic regarding COVID, and in that COVID also the first symptom which we see is that the particular the oxygen level of a human being gets down. That has to be taken care of due to the particular changes in the environment. Say for example, there is a sudden sea rise level. So every year nearly 2 degrees centigrade temperature is increasing. Then we are facing more droughts we are facing in a huge manner, that we have to keep into mind. And also there are different changes in the weather conditions. Anytime rainfall is there, anytime summer season in summer season there is a rise in temperature, and at the same time you have to be taken care of the various issues regarding farming also, because farmers also face a major problem regarding the global warming, because there also the crop pattern has been changed nowadays. Previously the traditional crop pattern was there, but now the crop pattern is completely changed, and that is also one of the important effects to the particular environment, and that has to be taken care of in the near future. Now presently also, our Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has gone to Paris just now, in last month. That is the particularly the European country, and there they were solving the problem regarding the global warming only, where it is decided that in till 2030 they will completely finish off the problem. So let's hope that these problems will be minimized at a lowest level, so that the human beings will be benefited. Okay, so this is also one of the important effects on the particular environment. Second thing is that when you are going for any type of control, then there must be some remedies also. There must be some remedies also to the problem. And in this aspect, I would like to tell you that there are problems regarding the biogas plants, because manure we are using, cow dungs we are using, but generally we are using in a particular different fashion. Say for example, mainly the forest covers have been finished off. Forest covers has been finished off. That is completely reduced. So that is bad for the India. Second, regarding the controls which you are to be kept ready for the environment, that are also not to be mentioned, and that to be not to be controlled in a proper manner. That is also to be have to care of. This also we have to mention that there must be less number of petroleum fuel. Now people presently, the government of India is also thinking that each and every vehicle must be electric. That is also one a good start, where you can have, that is a use of electric vehicles, so that there will be less type of pollution, and there at the same time there will less type of the global warming. So this is also one of the efforts which the person has to take off. Now next important point is that the many plants, they installed plants, they are also not having a very good type of maintenance. Say for example, many nuclear plants are there in India. That has to be taken care of. That has to be controlled in such a manner that there will be number of pollution will be less. So unless and until we control all types of pollution, we cannot go for the particular aspect. So with this brief short video, I can say, or with short knowledge, I am coming before you, and I will be coming again and again before you. And therefore, so if you like my channel, please do subscribe our law jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Thank you once and all. Thank you.